So Romesco, Mexiterranean, basically means techniques, recipes blended in between Mexican food and Mediterranean. Integrate recipes from all parts of Mexico, Puebla, Oaxaca, a lot of Baja. Mexico has a lot of influence with Spain, France. That's why it's called Mexiterranean, There's a lot of the old cuisine mixed in with the new cuisine. Baja Rock Fish, that comes from the Sea Cortez. Rub that with some adobo, which is a little bit of achiote, pineapple. We do Shishito Peppers. Arroz with tomatillo on the side. We do some ashes of veggies and chiles. There's always chiles integrated into our cuisine. Obviously, extra virgin olive oil from Baja. And very simple but very bold flavors.
A dish that had the achiote sauce with a pineapple sauce and some shishito peppers with it, which this is where I see the elements kind of starting to mash. Shishito peppers are not obviously native to Mexico.
Second dish we tried is pulpo campechano, and it's grilled. We also do marinade with lemon and paprika and lemon rub. That's grilled, and it has kind of like a charred taste to it, and that comes along with cauliflower puree, avocado, guacamole, papitas. People tend to have a different vision of Mexican food, and we want to showcase what it's really about.